is delicious.
No. Maybe we should try some other cafes someday.
Maybe. Hey, Francis, do you have any ideas?
I'm too nervous.
Here, drink some apple juice.
I'd rather lick my foot.
Why are you licking your foot?
It helps me deal with stress.
You've been in the wild too long.
Yeah.
Maybe you want to tell us about your African safari trips.
Oh, yeah. So first, there I was, in the wild. Then we were driving in our safari truck, but then, roar, a lion came out. And then, a rhino charged at the lion, but then a giraffe kicked the lion's head off. But don't worry, it was okay. It was okay. The lion was okay. He survived all that. Just a little scrape.
His head was kicked off. That isn't
Did
very
I say
much
that?
was possible.
Did
And
I say
should
that?
know. I'm a safari veterinarian.
Did I say that? Oh.
Yes, you did.
Sometimes I get carried away with these stories. Anyhow, then we went blah 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 blah.
Everyone's asleep, Francis.
Oh dear.
Wake up!
Yeah?
Oh dear.
What?
But did I send you guys to sleep?
Yeah. Actually, he's nocturnal.
Yeah.
Why? You should be able to stay awake. Meow, 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 meow. She said that if you fall asleep one more time, you're gonna be breakfast.
No, let's not have
What
that
if-
happen.
What if we just eat pancakes for breakfast?
Yes, that's a good idea, Francis.
But she's rather hungry, and she's never hunted before in her life. So,
Okay, I'll call the
you
waiter.
might be yummy.
Let's just get some chicken.
Yeah.
And maybe beef, too.
No, thank you. I'm a vegetarian.
Oh.
Cucumbers then.
Cucumbers, yeah!
Ew. Cucumbers?
Whoa! What?
How dare you?
You said you were a vegetarian.
Cucumbers are not vegetables! They're shrimp!
Well, I suppose that's the end of our breakfast.
Goodbye!
See you later, Francis.
That was appetizing.